Hold up, hold up, hold up! If you're over 40 and your pants are getting mysteriously tighter, even though you swear you're eating the same, this video is about to blow your mind. I'm about to expose the real reason your metabolism betrayed you, and more importantly, the 9 game-changing secrets that'll help you fight back. But first, smash that like button if you're tired of your belly having its own zip code. And stick around, because secret number 6 is going to make you want to throw your wine collection out the window. But trust me, it's worth it. Let me paint you a picture. Remember when you were 25? Pizza at midnight? No problem. Skipped the gym for 3 weeks. Still looked great in jeans. Fast forward to today, you look at a donut and gain 2 pounds. What the heck happened? Here's the brutal truth your doctor probably didn't explain properly. Your body literally changed the rules on you. And I'm not just talking vanity here. We're talking about your liver crying for help, your arteries getting clogged, and your risk of diabetes skyrocketing. The World Health Organization called obesity the new infectious disease, and middle age is when it strikes hardest. But here's what I want you to know. This isn't your fault, and more importantly, it's not permanent. Let me introduce myself. Today, I'm sharing scientifically proven 9-step system that's helped thousands of people not just lose weight, but completely transform their health. And I'm going to give you 2 secret superfoods that most people have never heard of. Stick with me for the next 10 minutes, and I promise you'll never look at breakfast the same way again. The 9 game-changing principles secret number 1, the white devil. That's sabotaging you, this innocent-looking stuff. It's basically legal cocaine for your blood sugar. Here's what happens. You eat refined carbs, blood sugar rockets up, insulin floods your system, your body goes, emergency, store everything as fat. It's like having a panic attack, but in your pancreas. Drop a "that's me" in the comments if you're guilty of the breakfast crime I'm about to expose later. The bottom line, cutting refined carbs can account for 50% of your weight loss success. That's like getting an A+ on half your exam before you even start. Secret number 2, the muscle-building magic your body is screaming for. Your muscles are like employees. If you don't feed them, they quit. And when muscle quits, metabolism goes on vacation. Here's your protein dream team. Team animal, eggs, nature's perfect food. Chicken breast, fish, team plant, beans, tofu, almonds, spinach. Think of it as a 2-to-1 ratio, 2 plant proteins for every 1 animal protein. It's like creating the perfect superhero squad for your metabolism. Secret number 3, stop the blood sugar roller coaster of doom. Your blood sugar on refined carbs is like the world's worst roller coaster, except instead of fun, you get diabetes. Every spike damages your blood vessels like tiny lightning strikes. We're talking heart disease, high blood pressure, even cancer risk. Now, secret number 4 is about something called AGEs. And no, I don't mean getting older. Advanced glycation end. Age. Products are basically poison your food creates when you cook it wrong. That delicious char on your BBQ? Those crispy fries? They're aging you from the inside out. The fix? Think wet cooking, boiling, steaming, slow cooking. Your skin will thank you, your liver will thank you, and your waistline definitely will thank you. Secret number 5, the eating schedule that melts fat while you sleep. What if I told you when you eat is almost as important as what you eat? Intermittent fasting isn't about starving. It's about giving your body time to actually use the food you eat instead of constantly storing it. Start with 12 to 12 program. Eat for 12 hours, fast for 12. It's like giving your digestive system a well-deserved coffee break. Secret number 6, the healthy habit that's destroying your progress. Okay, this one's going to hurt. But that nightly glass of wine, it's literally telling your body to store fat. Here's the harsh truth. When alcohol enters your system, your body treats it like a toxin because it is one. Everything else, including burning fat, gets put on hold while your liver deals with the alcohol emergency. I know, but it's heart healthy. Recent research shows even one drink can damage your brain and increase cancer risk. Time for a beautiful breakup with booze. Secret number 7, 8, and 9. The lifestyle triangle that completes your transformation. The final 3 secrets work together like a triangle of awesome. Secret number 7. Sleep. Your fat-burning hormones work the night shift. Between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m., your body releases growth hormone, nature's fat burner. Miss this window, and you're literally sleeping on your weight loss. Secret number 8. Stress. Stress releases cortisol, which is basically your body's store fat for the apocalypse hormone. Find your zen, people. Secret number 9. Exercise. Here's the secret sauce. A 20-minute walk after meals can prevent blood sugar spikes better than most medications. Diet is 80%, exercise is 20%, but that 20% makes all the difference. The secret superfoods reveal. All right, I promised you 2 secret superfoods that always deliver positive outcomes. These aren't your typical eat more kale recommendations. Superfood number 1, the humble hero, chickpeas. These little powerhouses are like nature's slow-release energy capsules. Complex carbs that don't spike your blood sugar, plant protein that builds muscle, and something called L-arginine that literally tells your body to burn fat. 300 grams per day max, unless you want to clear out every room you enter. Superfood number 2, the misunderstood champion, natural peanut butter. I know what you're thinking. Peanut butter for weight loss? Are you insane? Here's the magic. Just 2 tablespoons keep you full for hours. Activate your brown fat, the good fat that burns the bad fat, and stabilize your blood sugar like a boss. Now, let's discuss about the breakfast revelation, the worst breakfast combo in human history. White bread and orange juice. Yes, you heard it right. It's like injecting sugar directly into your bloodstream. Instead, here's your new morning power play. Eggs, nature's perfect protein package. Vegetables, fiber city. Beans, slow burn energy. Natural cheese, satisfaction factor 100%. Remember the magic order. Vegetables first, protein second, carbs last. It's like giving your blood sugar a gentle massage instead of a shock treatment. There you have it, 9 secrets that can literally transform your second half of life. Listen, you didn't gain this weight overnight, and you won't lose it overnight. But with these principles, you're not just losing weight, you're gaining years of healthy, energetic life. Smash that like button if this opened your eyes. Comment below with your biggest aha moment. Subscribe and ring that bell. Because next week, I'm coming back, more myth-bursting healthy tips for you. Remember, your best years aren't behind you. They're waiting for you to claim them. See you in the next video, health heroes.